Good afternoon, welcome to day 6. We are currently at Wekiwa Springs and about to do some swimming. We were supposed to be going to Kelly Park, but when we got there it was full. So we had a look to see if there's any more. They're similar, and Wekiwa was literally like 10 minutes away. So hopefully I'm saying that right, by the way. But it cost us $3 to park for all 7 of us. So yeah, we're gonna go see what it's like. But currently we're just waiting for the others because we've all got floats from Walmart, which Mia's carrying.
I'm trying to spin it.
Nicely modelling. Skills.
No.
So yeah, we're gonna go and do some swimming because they've got some lovely springs here. But it's a gorgeous place, stunning. So, but it's just very hot again, and I'll say it every day. It's very hot. But yeah, let's go check it out. So Mia's found a new way to carry the float. Jonathan doesn't have hips. So.
ULA. Blueprint.
Can we stop it? Yes, one more.
Go on, Mia.
She's a ring girl.
A ring girl. Go on then. Try walking.
This reminds me of that scene on Wicked where he goes like, what is it?
Creamery.
Is this what it feels like to be pregnant?
No.
There's the normal ones and then there's the not so normal ones.
Mia, how are you going to get down there with all those people?
There's a lot of people. It feels so stupid.
It looks so stupid.
Ja, misschien heb je ook wel een dusdanig veel dat je gewoon met zat wordt. Ja, ja. En daar heb ik ook, zeg maar, als ik
You're also welcome. Okay, so it looks like one of us is dying from an alligator attack.
Alligators?
Yeah, alligators and other wildlife may be present. Woohoo. So we managed to find a good spot. Someone was leaving as we walked in, so it worked out really well. And we put a tent down. So now it is fully shaded. And we're right on the water, which is lovely. So now we're just gonna go find some food because we've not eaten yet. I think it's probably about 1 o'clock now in the afternoon. So go find some food and a drink. It is roasting. Okay, so we've just got some food. I got the chicken fingers and fries. Jonathan got the cheeseburger and fries. And then I got the fruit punch Gatorade and a Pepsi for later. By the way, Why is it as big as my head? Anyway.
It's like a monster.
Literally monster drink. What did you get? What
I
is
got
that?
a vodka seltzer pineapple drink.
Okay. Well,
It's quite nice.
some alcoholic drink,
Can I try it?
basically. No, thank you. Including tip, everything included, tax, whatever. All of that came to $47.15. So literally, in the time that I was recording to tell you about food, it's here. So, fries, like crinkle cut chips, and chicken tenders with barbecue sauce. I don't know why, but like this holiday I've really not been fussed on ranch. I just don't know. Tried it the other day and I was like, just didn't like it as much. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try this. Jonathan's cheeseburger looks very cheeseburgery. Let's have a look.
So I've just got some sauces to put on it. I have sweet relish, ketchup, or mayonnaise. And with the chips, I just get ketchup.
Yeah, I think I've got this in. Yeah, just ketchup. Looks alright. So we just finished eating, taking my Pepsi down to the tent. It was nice. Sometimes I don't feel like it's worth that much money. I think maybe because we're spoiled a little bit in the UK with certain places that we think are really expensive, but actually when you come here they're really not expensive. But yeah, it was nice. So I'm wanting to get into the water, I think. I'm a little bit scared. Not scared, I just don't like fish. So there's loads of fish in there, but it should be fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go check on Noah, who is with my dad, and then possibly get in. But it's gorgeous. So I've just got out. That was so nice. It's nice and like when you get in it's really cold, and then after a bit it dies down and it's absolutely fine. But that was lovely. That was really nice. I don't like the mossy floor. It freaked me out, and I don't like fish. That confirmed my dislike of fish. But other than that, it was really nice. And over there's like a big group of people there right now. So over there is where all the water's coming up from out of the spring. So like that's where the head of the spring is. So that literally goes like, it goes like 20 feet deep. So I like kind of paddled over there in my ring, and my dad brought his snorkel, so I just stuck my head in the water, and that was so cool. Hopefully my dad got some good footage of it on his GoPro, because he went underneath. But it's so cool there. A bit terrifying, but cool. So yeah, I think we're just going to chill out a bit more, and then soon we'll be heading off and going to the beach to hopefully watch a launch. So that'll be good. Another launch, second launch of the holiday. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Just lovely. I'm going to sit, relax, maybe listen to some music and drink my drink and chill. I forgot to bring my book. I'm really annoyed because I really wanted to bring my book. It's fine. It's okay. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Excuse the state. It is hot and sweaty, but we're just heading back to the car now to go to the beach for the lunch, which is at 7, I believe, and it's probably just about to hit 4 o'clock now. So yeah, that was really nice. I'd come here again, definitely, and I'd recommend it for anybody. $3 for parking. It's not bad. And the rest of it's, you know, you don't have to pay to get in other than parking. So it was really good. So yeah, we're just gonna head to the beach and see the launch. We are at the beach for the launch. So it's set to go off at 7, and I believe we've got 20 minutes until it's 7, so we need to get a move on. But we are here, so we're gonna see it. Hopefully, if it sets off. So exciting! Okay, so we're on the beach. Oh my goodness, it's so windy, and there's that massive cloud. So I hope that doesn't affect anything, but it's so busy. I didn't think it would be this busy. It's absolutely crazy busy, but it's lovely. It's really nice. It's just like, we've seen all the people with cameras and like filming and stuff. It's crazy. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right over there. So yeah, exciting. That was so good. I'm sorry if you can't hear me, it's so windy. But that was really good. I really enjoyed that. It was so much better than watching it on the bridge. So yeah, that was really good. You could hear that so well. But yeah, I think now they do have another launch tonight, which is SpaceX. Because which one was that one just now? So that was a ULA launch. But tonight they do have, well, in a couple of hours, I think it's supposed to go off at 9, I think. And it's currently 7, just gone 7. They have a SpaceX launch, but you aren't allowed to stay on the beach after 7:30. So we're gonna have to head back now. We won't be able to watch that one from the beach, but that was so good. I've always wanted to do a beach launch. But yeah, I'd love to see the SpaceX launch. But I don't know what we're gonna do because we've got Hollywood Studios tomorrow. I'm so excited. I literally love Hollywood Studios so much. So I'm not sure if we're just gonna head back and get something to eat. I think we were talking about either doing like a Wendy's, but I'm in the mood for a Chipotle, and Jonathan's never tried Chipotle, so I might try and convince everyone to get Chipotle. I don't know. See if it works. If not, I'm fine with a Wendy's. Anyway, that was the cutlass thing. You can still see the smoke. That was so good. But yeah, so glad that's another thing off my bucket list of things to do. The ultimate thing on my bucket list is a SpaceX launch from the beach, which lands back on the pad. That would be the dream. So hopefully one day I'll get to see that. But yeah, let's go get something to eat. I had one slice of pizza before we left, but now I'm hungry. Let's go. So we've just stopped at Wendy's for dinner. Sorry, I literally look cray. It's fine. Stopped at Wendy's for some food. So we have got back home. Here is our Wendy's order. All $45 worth of food and drinks. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so first I want to show you the size of a medium drink. It's the size of my head. It's huge. So I got a grape Fanta with my combo meal, and for my combo meal I got I got fries, yummy fries, and I got the grilled chicken ranch wrap, which is delicious because I had this last year and it's pretty much the only thing I ate last year. So looking forward to this. And then to finish off, I got the, I think it's called a Frosty Swirl. Apparently it's new, but it's the brownie batter one. So we'll see how that is. So yeah, gonna enjoy.
This is a Dave triple burger. 3 beef burgers or patties over here. Cheese and bits of filling. Much bigger than like a British version of the burger.
It looks huge.
It smells really good. The beef is just so much better. It doesn't taste artificial, it tastes...
You normally get a double one, don't you? A double Dave burger. So let's have one up from that. It's huge. I am such a terrible vlogger. I forgot to sign off last night. It's currently the next morning. I'm about to head to Hollywood Studios, so hopefully I'll see you in the next vlog. But thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.